Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you 3 tips on how you can increase views on Facebook Reels. So to increase views on your Facebook Reels, you'll need a combinations of engaging content, effective strategies, and optimizations for the platforms. And this is 3 tips to boost your views. The first one, you need to create engaging and high quality content. So capture attention within the first few seconds of your reel. You can use an intriguing opening that makes people want to watch more. And don't forget to use popular songs, sounds, and trends in your reels. And next, you need to ensure your video is clear, well lit, and visually appealing. And don't forget to be authentic, so audience love real authentic contents. Be yourself and share personal stories or offer valuable insights that resonate viewers. The second one, you need to leverage hashtag and description. So use a relevant hashtag. You can add 3 to 5 hashtag relevant to your reels and write compelling descriptions. So create engaging captions that encourage viewers to interact. You can use a call to actions or CTA like tag a friend or which one do you prefer. Next, you can also keep an eye on trending hashtag in your niche and incorporate them into your reels when relevant. The last one, on the third one, you can post consistently and engage with your audience. So consistency is key. Don't forget to regularly posting reels, ideally 3 to 5 times a week, to keep your profile active and help you to grow your audience. The more content you post, the higher the chance of getting noticed. And don't forget to engage with comments. So reply to comments on your reels to boost engagement. The more comments and reactions post gets, the more likely it is to show up in other users' feed, just like this. And last one, you can also use cross promote your reels. You can just share your reels in Facebook stories, on your feed, and even on Instagram to increase visibility and reach a wider audience. So by focusing on the quality, optimizing with the right hashtag, and engaging consistently with your audience, I hope you'll increase your chances of getting more views on your Facebook Reels. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon. But if you still have question, you can leave a comment down below. Don't forget to also subscribe and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.